Good afternoon. My name is John Stakowitz from Kuna High School. I am the IT teacher at that school. I'm currently in the probabilities for games, and what I plan on showing you today is how I'm going to teach the students to create probability charts and utilize that information in creating a 2D 6 game. Now the first thing you have to know on 2D6, you're going to have 2 dice of 6 sides. The maximum number that you can have on that would be 6 on each one, which would equal out to 36 possible combinations. Having that, the lowest you can have would be 2, and the highest would be 12. Now, the first thing you're going to do is create a simple chart of the first dice 1 through 6 across the top. The second one, you create the second dice up and down. The next, we go ahead and fill this chart in, representing the total possible combinations that could occur between the 2 dice. 2 being the lowest and 12 being the highest. Now, to speed up time and save recording, I'm going to go ahead and pause right here, fill in the chart, and then I'll bring it back online. Be right back. Welcome back. I'm just about done with the chart, and as you can see, it's relatively easy to fill out. And it's done. Now, this tells us the number of probabilities that these numbers and the combinations could possibly show up. So in effect, if we rolled an 8, you can tell that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways in which 8 can be created. 6 and 2, 3 and 5, 4 and 4. Now, the next chart or table is going to be the probabilities table itself. So X is the possible number that could occur. The probability would be probability of X. That's how it's written. So I'm going to go ahead and get this filled out and put you on hold for again. Okay, welcome back. Now, the next main thing you got to realize is we're going to utilize the top table here and the fact that you're going to have a total maximum number of combinations of 36 and create a fraction that will give us the probability of rolling that particular number. Now, how many times does 2 show up on this list here? Now remember, these are dice here and here, so these ones don't count. So how many 2s show up? 1. And how many chances? 36 possible chances. So you have 1 to 36. How many 3s? 2. How many 4s? 3. How many 8s? 5. Right now, we can convert these into decimal, and that would be a true life possibility. Instead of having in computer sciences where they create a random number generator from a point of 1 through 6, it doesn't come across as a real life application because it doesn't take into account the probabilities that could possibly be presented. Hopefully, introducing this to the programming students will allow them to see and utilize these probabilities and include them into the programming as they should. so they can have real life applications. Thank you very much.